There's an Alaska ceiling fan, manufactured in the early to mid 80s. This one actually has a working correctly speed switch, but this one's in reverse, and I couldn't really get to the reverse switch due to the garage door being open. Anyway, I'll give this a demo, starting with low. Now it's slowly speeding up. There's a Jet Hornet above me. Great. Oh, God. There's low. Here's medium. It's kind of on the slow side. I'm sure it goes faster in the other direction. Here's high. Can't really get a good air movement because it's blowing air up, not down. There's high. Yes, that used to be a light on the bottom, but they took the chain sockets out. Yeah, there it is for that. Now I'll turn it off. And that's it for this. Thanks for watching.